What's happening, everybody? If you're watching this, you're probably looking for boots, and have I got a boot for you. It's the Diemme and Huckberry collab of their custom-made Roccia Vetas for Huckberry, and these things are incredible. I've been putting them through their paces out here in the wilderness. This is one of my favorite spots to go hiking. And let me tell you guys, I am so impressed. Let's jump into the features. So I want to talk about all the features on these boots because they are incredible. They're definitely a step up from like your normal hiking boot, especially your normal vintage inspired hiking boot. And it's a custom version made specifically for Huckberry of their Roccia Vet hiking boots. And these things are incredible. Like, you have this awesome suede upper that's completely waterproof and super plush padding right here. I mean, incredible stuff. And then you have this awesome rubberized mudguard around the edge that's really robust. It's been great out here in the water. But what really sets these apart is the fit and finish. If you don't know Diemme, they are an Italian outdoors footwear manufacturer, and they produce everything in Italy, and they do it in a region that produces over half of the serious hiking and mountaineering gear in the world. Like, these people know what they're doing, and they're producing at such a level that this is a step above everything that's out there. So even if you're someone that has a lot of boots, the history, the craftsmanship, and all the details really make this truly incredible. And one thing that I really like that I was surprised about is the amount of arch support in it. It's actually really, really good. So it feels like your foot, the arch is just being cupped inside and just gently pressed with like cushioning. And then your heel is like in a little pocket in the back, and you are just locked in this boot. Like, truly incredible. Like, I've not felt this on any other boot. This is where that just generational knowledge from boot making comes in, and it's so comfortable and so supportive. Absolutely blew me away and was not expecting it. So yeah, if you're someone looking for your first hiking boot, or if you're someone that has a million pair of boots and you want something that's just to the next level or a little more elevated in the way it looks and functions, these Diemme and Huckberry Roccia Vetas are amazing, and you will not be disappointed. See ya.